Hey guys, you're welcome back. Today we are making ogbono soup, but first of all I'm going to take you guys through the market run. So guys, I went to the market and I got my smoked mackerel fish. You guys know I love it so much. It's almost in all my food videos. After that I went straight to the woman selling cow skin and I got some there. You guys can see the flies everywhere, so when you get home always wash it with hot water and some salt. After that I went to this woman selling stockfish. Her stockfish was very expensive and it wasn't even fresh, so I didn't buy from her. So I left her shop and then I went straight to the man selling goat meat. I got some goat meat. Guys, goat meat is literally my best beef because the taste, oh my god, the taste is out of this world in my soup. I don't know about others. So I went to this woman selling stockfish. As you can see, her stockfish and all her fish was just so fresh and affordable, so I got some. Lastly, I went to get my Deshelled prewinkle. Yeah, I love periwinkles inside my ogbono soup. Now I got some other things, but I didn't film those parts. So I got home and I proceeded to making the soup. I started by steaming my goat meat. I seasoned with some seasoning cube, some onions and some salt, and then I just gave it a gentle mix for everything to combine, and then I covered and allowed to cook for 5 minutes. So this was after 5 minutes. As you can see, I transferred to a bigger pot because this is the pot I'll be using to make the soup. So I went in with some water. We are making soup, of course, so we need water. This is my ogbono. I added some palm oil and then I mixed it together for it to soak up the oil. This is the only oil I'll be using to make the soup. So I just placed it here for it to dissolve a little. So this was after 5 minutes. I went in with my cow skin, properly washed with hot water and salt. At this point I added my ogbono. And then I gave it a gentle mix. I proceeded to add in my pepper. I made use of Scotch bonnet pepper. I added my crayfish at this point. Mixed all of that to combine, and look at how slimy it is. So many people complain that the ogbono doesn't slime. I don't know why it doesn't draw. So at this point I went in with 1 nut cube, added my smoked mackerel fish, pala fish and some stockfish. And guys, for the first time I made use of Uziza leaf to make my ogbono and I totally enjoyed it. It was really delicious, so I think I'll stick to Uziza leaf. And then lastly I went in with my prewinkle. Like I said, this is optional, but I love to add it to my ogbono soup. I gave it a gentle mix and allowed it to simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, guys, it is ready. This was so delicious. I don't need to over preach. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.